If you earn money every month but still struggle to save anything, you are not alone. Millions of people work hard, pay their bills, and still wonder where their money disappears. But what if you could build your first $1,000 safety cushion in just 30 days? In this video, you will learn a simple method that can help you start saving immediately. What if I told you that saving $1,000 in just 30 days is possible, even if you are not earning a huge salary? Most people believe saving money takes many months, sometimes even years. They think you need a perfect budget, a high income, or extreme discipline. But in reality, saving your first $1,000 often comes down to something much simpler: awareness and small daily actions. In this video, I will show you a simple strategy that can help you reach $1,000 in 30 days. This method does not require complicated financial tools. It does not require a perfect income. It only requires focus, consistency, and a few smart decisions. Before we talk about the strategy, let's understand why $1,000 matters. For many people, the first $1,000 is the beginning of financial stability. It creates a small emergency cushion. Imagine your car suddenly needs repairs. Imagine a medical bill appears. Without savings, even small problems can turn into debt. But with $1,000 saved, those surprises become manageable instead of stressful. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake people make when trying to save money. Most people say they will save whatever money is left at the end of the month. Unfortunately, this rarely works. When the month ends, the money is already gone. Bills, groceries, and small daily expenses slowly consume everything. That is why the first rule of saving money is simple: pay yourself first. Instead of saving what remains, decide your savings amount before you spend anything else. If your goal is $1,000 in 30 days, that means saving about $33 per day. At first, this might sound difficult, but when you start looking at your daily spending habits, you may realize that much of that money is already being spent on small things. The first step of this challenge is to start small, but start immediately. Today, save $5. The amount is not the important part. What matters is starting the habit. When people begin saving, even in small amounts, their awareness changes. Suddenly, they begin noticing how often money leaves their wallet. The second step is tracking your spending for 30 days. You do not need complicated software for this. A simple notebook works perfectly. Write down every expense, even small ones. Coffee, snacks, online purchases, subscriptions, everything. When people see their spending written down, they often feel surprised. Many small expenses go unnoticed during normal days. These small expenses are what financial experts often call money leaks. A $10 lunch here, a quick online purchase there, a streaming service you rarely watch. Individually, they seem harmless, but together they can easily add up to hundreds of dollars every month. Now here is a practical strategy that makes saving easier. Instead of trying to cut every expense in your life, focus on only 3 categories for the next 30 days. The first category is convenience food. Cooking at home a few more times each week can save a surprising amount of money. Even replacing a few restaurant meals can free up significant cash. The second category is subscriptions. Many people are paying for services they barely use. Streaming platforms, apps, memberships, or online tools can slowly drain money every month. Take a few minutes to review your subscriptions. Cancel the ones you truly do not need. The third category is impulse purchases. These are the items we buy without planning. It might be something we see online or something we grab while standing in a checkout line. Reducing impulse purchases, even for a single month, can create a big difference in your savings. But saving money is not only about reducing spending. Sometimes the fastest way to reach a financial goal is to temporarily increase your income. This does not mean starting a second career or working endless hours. Instead, think about quick opportunities that exist around you. For example, look around your home. Many people have unused items sitting in closets, drawers, or storage boxes. Old electronics, clothes you no longer wear, extra furniture, or gadgets you replaced with newer ones. Selling a few of these items online can quickly generate extra cash. Many people are surprised to discover they can easily make $200 to $500 just by selling things they no longer use. Now, here is another important rule during this challenge. Protect the money you save. If your savings stay in the same account you use for daily spending, it becomes very easy to spend that money again. Instead, move the savings to a separate account or a dedicated savings space. Once the money goes there, treat it as untouchable unless there is a real emergency. At this point, you might be wondering if saving $1,000 in 30 days is truly realistic. The answer is yes, but only if you stay consistent. The power of this challenge is not a single large action. It is the combination of small actions repeated every day. Saving $5 today might not seem impressive, but when you continue saving daily, tracking spending, cutting unnecessary expenses, and adding small income opportunities, progress builds quickly. Small decisions compound over time. Many people who complete this challenge discover something interesting. The biggest change is not the money itself. The biggest change is confidence. Once you prove to yourself that you can save $1,000 in a short period of time, your mindset begins to shift. Suddenly, larger goals feel possible. Building a full emergency fund becomes realistic. Investing for retirement feels less intimidating. Financial progress becomes a clear path instead of a distant dream. So here is the simple plan. Start with $5 today. Track your spending for the next 30 days. Reduce expenses in 3 key categories. Look for small opportunities to generate extra cash. And most importantly, protect the savings you build. Financial stability rarely comes from a single dramatic change. It usually grows from consistent habits repeated over time. One decision leads to another, and gradually your financial situation becomes stronger. Your first $1,000 is more than just money. It represents control, confidence, and the beginning of a better financial future. And the best part is that this journey can begin today. Start with $5.